सो हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। एंड आज का वीडियो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है बिकॉज आई एम गोना अनरैप माई क्रिसमस गिफ्ट इन दिस वीडियो। सो एज यू ऑल नो, दिस वॉज माई फर्स्ट क्रिसमस ऑन बोर्ड एंड आई वॉज वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड। बट सीन ऐसा हो गया था कि एवरी वन वॉज सेइंग कि काश हम लोग क्रिसमस पे सेलिंग में रहे। सेलिंग में मीन्स एट सी, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी आर ऑन पोर्ट, तो सबका एक्सपेक्टेशन उस लेवल का नहीं था। बट यहाँ पे बियॉन्ड एक्सपेक्टेशन हुई सब चीज़ें। 24th इवनिंग हम लोग एम्स्टर्डम में, वी वर इन सोर लीव, ठीक है, हम लोग को सोर लीव मिला था एम्स्टर्डम में क्रिसमस ईव पे, तो वी सेलिब्रेटेड 24th इवनिंग देयर। एंड देन अगेन हम लोग को क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेट करने का मौका मिला बिकॉज द सोर अथॉरिटी वेंट टू सेलिब्रेट क्रिसमस, एंड जब वो चले गए तो वी कैन नॉट डिस्चार्ज, तो वी गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू सेलिब्रेट क्रिसमस ऑल्सो। वी वर वेरी लकी दिस टाइम कि हम लोग सोर पे रह के, पोर्ट में रह के भी वी गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू सेलिब्रेट क्रिसमस। एंड इससे भी ज़्यादा आपने देखा, आई हैव ऑलरेडी शोन यू दैट आई गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बिकम सेंटा क्लॉज दिस टाइम ऑन बोर्ड। एंड ये तो सबसे ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट था मेरे लिए। लाइक आई गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बिकम सेंटा क्लॉज, आई गिफ्टेड एवरीवन एंड इवन सेंटा क्लॉज गिफ्टेड हिमसेल्फ ऑल्सो. So I've already shown you. So in this video we are going to unbox that gift only, and let's see what chief officer has packed for me. And yeah, first of all I would like to thank my company for this gift, and yes, let's go and unbox this gift. So this is my gift, and this is actually amazing. Chief officer को actually पता है what I want, तो I had some idea related to my gift, but I was not expecting DJI product. DJI के product amazing होते हैं, so I'm not gonna waste your time. Let's go and see what is there inside the box, and first of all we'll see the specification and box content. So this is the front of the box, and here you are getting the model name, which is DJI Osmo Mobile SE. So basically this is only for mobile, not for GoPro and all. So this is the front of the box, and here you can read smartphone stabilizer, and on the side you are getting the branding of DJI, and on the back you are getting everything like the specification and then the content of the box. So we'll go through specification one by one. The very first is the 3-axis stabilization. This is the best thing we are getting here, means 3-axis stabilization. What else someone need to make a stabilized video? And then the other one is the magnetic design. So this is what I have to see, what is their magnetic design. So once we'll remove everything, then we'll come to know what is the magnetic design. Then portable and foldable, so it will help us to carry everywhere this thing easily. And the next one is active track 5.0. this is very interesting. Like if you are locking any moving object, so it will rotate according to the movement of that object. This is the best thing. And easy tutorials and one tap editing. I think this is related to their app, so I need to download the app also, app of DJI, and then I will connect, and then I think one tap editing and all facilities will be there. And this one is quick roll. Okay, so you can make portrait and landscape video easily. So these are the specification of DJI Osmo Mobile SE. And now coming to the content of the box, the very first is the Osmo Mobile SE, and the second one is DJI OM magnetic phone clamp, and the next one is one tripod we are getting inside, and next one is one power cable, and then storage pouch and some documents related to this DJI Osmo Mobile SE. So these are the contents. So now we are going to unbox it and see what all things we are getting and how they are. So after opening on the cover of the box only we are getting some guide. The first one is to download the DJI mobile app, and the second one is the mobile clamp, and the third one is how to connect this mobile clamp to that stick. So this is what the magnetic design is, and the last one is like how to connect all the things. So this is the guide, and now we are going to see the content of the box. So this is the pouch we can use to carry everything. Looks nice, the product is looking good. And apart from this, some paper manuals which we are getting, which is of no use. And yes, this is the thing we are getting. If required, use this anti-slip pad to secure the mobile phone. Okay, so this is for securing the mobile phone in the phone holder. Now I'm going to show you the phone holder. So this is the mobile clamp. This is the mobile clamp, and this is the magnetic design. Okay. So this is the tripod stand we are getting with one stud to connect. Actually I've seen many tripod, but the product we are getting here, the quality of the product, the material of the product we are getting here, उसको हम लोग compare नहीं कर सकते with any of the product. This is what is the difference between DJI products and other products. And also this is a little costly. जो मेरे पास अभी tripod I am using for this video is of 1000 and this is of 10,000, so it's a big upgrade. And one power cable we are getting here. And yes, this is the last product and most important, जिसके लिए मैं बहुत excited हूँ, the DJI Osmo Mobile SC. So now we'll open it and we'll see. It is a bit heavy, so yeah, let's open. So this is the product for which I was very excited. काफ़ी फाइन है, काफ़ी अच्छे से इसको बना रखा है यार. I am very excited to use this thing. So here we are getting one digital display for DJI, and I think it will be relatable to app also. And apart from this, we are getting one recording button. We can stop and start recording, and this is to switch the camera from front to back. And this is for the movement of the clamp up and down and left and right, and this one is for the zoom in and zoom out. And apart from these buttons, we are getting one C port here to charge this product, and again we are getting one more button here. I don't know why. Even I tried to find out this thing in this manuals, but कुछ नहीं है, इसलिए मैं इसको useless बोल रहा था. Once I will connect, then I will come to know what is this. And yes, this seems very good. And from here we can connect this thing to the tripod, and we can make this a tripod to make video. So this is how we can make it a tripod, also stabilized tripod. So this is the thing. And now coming to the top part, it seems very interesting. काफ़ी अच्छे तरीके से बनाया. Even I don't know how it gonna stabilize my video, like the way it is made, everything. So this is the magnetic design of this DJI Osmo, and this is the mobile clamp, and this is how it connects. So this is how it connects. And ऐसा भी नहीं है कि ये easily निकल जा रहा है, ये काफ़ी hard connection है इसका. So it is not easy to remove this. So काफ़ी अच्छे से ये hold करेगा फ़ोन को. And yeah, this is the thing. And काफ़ी फाइन प्रोडक्ट लग रहा है. आई हैव नॉट यूज. नेक्स्ट टाइम एम्स्टर्डम जाऊंगा तो डेफिनेटली आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस थिंग, एंड आपको एक्सपीरियंस ज़रूर शेयर करूँगा कि हाउ इट लुक्स, हाउ इट इज़ वर्किंग. सो इवन आई हैव टू कनेक्ट दिस विद माई एप्लीकेशन, DJI एप्लीकेशन ऑल्सो, एंड देन आई विल सी एवरीथिंग हाउ इट इज़ वर्किंग एंड ऑल. सो येस, दिस इज़ व्हाट इट इज़. Finally, you got to know about my Christmas gift, and I got the chance to make this video. अभी रात के 2 बज रहे हैं and I am making this video because दिन में टाइम नहीं मिलता है काम की वजह से. And again सुबह 6 बजे, and वही सेम मॉर्निंग रूटीन, सेम रूटीन आपका रोज जो टेक कैडेट का होता है. So this is the second video of my channel, and please support, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and please comment your suggestions. And apart from this, I will make one Amsterdam vlog because I'm keeping on going there, and cabin tour definitely, and I can show you the daily routine of a tech cadet. Like I will try to make, I cannot make video, but through any mean I will definitely show you what is the daily routine of a cadet. So that's it for this video. Please give it a thumbs up, please comment your suggestions in the comment section, and also please share this video to your loved ones and tell them to subscribe this channel. So thank you for watching this video.